Understanding, opt out of, a guide to English phrasing. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we make English learning easy and fun. Today, we're going to talk about a phrase that can be a little tricky for learners. Opt out of. It's a phrase you might see in forms, emails, or hear in everyday conversations. So, let's break it down together, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to use opt out of like a native speaker. The phrase, opt out of, is used when someone chooses not to be part of an activity, service, or agreement. The word, opt, means to make a choice or decision, so when you opt out of something, you're deciding not to participate in it. This can apply to various situations, from not receiving marketing emails to not taking part in a group activity. Now, let's look at how to use opt out of correctly in sentences. If you don't want to receive our newsletters, you can opt out of our mailing list at any time. He decided to opt out of the company health insurance plan because he already had coverage. Many people opt out of jury duty if they have a valid reason, like a schedule conflict or financial hardship. Notice how opt out of is followed by a noun or a noun phrase that represents what you are choosing not to be involved with. There are several scenarios where opt out of is commonly used. Email subscriptions. You can opt out of emails to stop receiving them. Services or memberships. Choosing not to renew or continue a service or membership. Data sharing. Opting out of data sharing to maintain privacy. Social events or obligations. Declining to participate in social commitments. In all these cases, opting out is a voluntary decision to exclude oneself from something optional, not mandatory. It's also helpful to understand the opposite term. Opt in. To opt in means to choose to be involved in something. So, while opting out is removing yourself from something, opting in is putting yourself into it. Remember, both are choices, and typically, you have the option to do either. And that's all on opt out of. We hope this video has helped clarify how and when to use this phrase. It's a handy term to know and can save you a lot of time in